Alright, so in this video, I'll be demonstrating how I get a high gloss color onto wood immediately. It's applied on the wood as it's turning on the lathe, and what this is a lac color stick is what I call it. A little bit of background about it: it's a technique originated in India. It's really old. It's at least 500 years old, and they use it to color toys. And they use this process just like we do on the lathe. And they use this because it's a wholly complete natural product. It has natural pigments, and it's button lac, shellac base, which is shellac is natural. It's the secretion of a bug, and it's in the form of button lac. And I'll do some more videos on this in the future, but the process here is applying it to the wood as it's spinning about maybe 2,000 RPMs right now, but depends on the diameter of the piece of wood. And then I'm taking this palm leaf and applying it to the wood, to the color as it's spinning, and that's heating it up. And I have my top hand on top of it, kind of smoothing it out as the leaf is heating it up. So it's kind of like a multiple step process at once. I came across this just because I'm a professional full-time wood turner, and I've always been coloring my work since I started. And I just saw a couple videos of this online of people in India doing it. I was really intrigued. So that was a couple years ago, and I just kind of dove into it, trying to figure it out. It's taken me probably 2 or 3 years now to get a really good grasp on it. There's not too much information out there uh, regarding how to do this or how to make the button lac. That's another thing. You can't just buy this colorful lac on the internet. You have to make it or somehow find a source that I'm not aware of. Um, so it's really taken me a while, but the benefit of it is getting this high gloss finish immediately. There's no drying time. There's no harsh chemicals you have to deal with. You don't have to use lac or polyurethane. That's one thing I'll show in another video, but you can put polyurethane on top of this. It will adhere to it, and that will give it even more protection and more shine. Another benefit of this coloring method is its durability. The pigment that I use is very high quality, so it'll last a long time, and it won't fade. And it's super strong. You could drop this piece on the ground, and it's not going to chip any of the color or really harm it. It's once it dries, which is within a couple seconds after it's cooled off, it is super durable, super hard, and that's another reason that they make toys with it in India. It's super durable, and it's not going to be toxic to any kid playing with it. But I think I've just, not even explored a small percentage of this new method's potential. I haven't seen anyone in, America or Western countries trying this out. So I just want to be able to throw something new out there to the wood turning world, and hopefully other people can appreciate it and maybe take interest in it so they can check it out themselves. So what I'm making here, this is a Christmas tree. I make a lot of these this time of year. I've been a wood turner. My name is Tyler David. I've been a wood turner for about my whole life. I'm 26 years old. 26 years old right now, and it's my full-time job. It always has been. Um, I went to college for marketing, but decided to go into this full time as I use this to pay for my college and everything. So uh, I love wood turning, and it still is super fun to me, even though I do it every day. So I wouldn't want to do anything else. So getting this thing almost finished up now. It's not easy. I will mention applying it to wood is not easy. Getting the hang of it, just really, there's a huge learning curve. And also making it. It's a button lac base. So what I do is I buy button lac and I add pigment, powdered pigment color to it by heating it up and mixing it together. And I'll probably do another video on that, how I make it, depending on if people are interested in it. Um, but it's definitely possible. So I was discouraged a lot when I first tried it out because I had a lot of trial and error. But now I've kind of got it down. So I just turned the lathe off there. It looks different as it's spinning than when you turn it off. So always check it over, see if there's anything you have to address. And looks like I've got it pretty much done here. I'm going to take the narrow parting tool and part it off, catch it with my other hand, and that's a finished tree. So thank you for watching this. Um, Let me know any questions in the comments if you're interested, and I'll try to answer them. Thank you.